Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous silky straight wig. If you want to know all the details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Luvme Hair. I've worked with them a few times now. I believe this is my third collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 24-inch 13x4 glueless frontal wig. This is in the straight texture and the density is 180%.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart.
Oh, don't mind my part. It's not straight because I styled it on the mannequin and I didn't make sure it was straight. So I'm gonna adjust that once we're done.
Time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, you don't care, you don't care.
So I'm just touching up the little spots that I see need more adhesive. It's easy to tell too because those spots are always lighter. When you put the hairspray on like a transparent lace, it does kind of melt in, but then sometimes like it is pretty noticeable. Cover up the light spots. So I have noticed that those lace tint mousse, they do oxidize, so it definitely does get a bit darker. So when I'm mixing them, I try not to make it too dark, but sometimes I do. If I do, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna go in with my foaming lotion to secure my sideburns.
Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart.
So clearly guys, we're doing the absolute most with baby hairs today. but that's okay. I don't do this much baby hairs that often.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses.
Okay, so I'm happy with that. So now I'm just going to do a rough pass with my flat iron.
Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me. Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real.
I did bleach the knots on my unit, but that's all I did. I would say it is pretty good density. Now for 180%, I'm not mad at it. Could it use a bit more hair? I think so for 180%. The hair does come from one donor. Feels like it is one donor hair because all of the hair on the unit feels exactly the same. It's very silky as I run my hands through it. It's super silky. It's not any longer than it claims to be. It is definitely 24-inch. The lace goes all the way back here, so you can part it anywhere pretty much on the side as well, as long as it has some lace there, so it's not like you're just like 2-inch parting space. So that's really nice. Feels very soft. I know you guys can see how silky it is, and I didn't put any hair products in the hair. All I used was some hairspray along the top as usual. So this is the natural texture and softness and shine of the hair. So very healthy. I want to show you guys the ends of it. Looks very healthy as well. Is there any shedding? Let's see. One hair. So yeah, all I received was one hair. No other hairs are coming out. So really good, doesn't shed a lot at all. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. I love their wigs. I always have a good time when I receive their wigs. Definitely worth you guys checking them out. So guys, that is my final thoughts on this unit. It's pretty straightforward and simple. I mean, it is just beautiful hair. There's not much else to say about that. Comment your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. So guys, right now my Instagram is disabled, my hair Instagram, but I do have my personal Instagram that's still active. If you guys want to follow me on there, it's going to be in the description box for you guys. And guys, if there is a coupon code for this wig, it's also going to be in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really does help my channel out, and of course we do lots of giveaways over here pretty much monthly. With that being said, I gotta go. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.